Hi, welcome to RecipeCheckr, your cooking channel for restaurant style and real recipes. I'm Sunder. It's great to see you all back again. In today's menu, I have one of your popular requests. It is a Punjabi dish, Paneer Paratha. A perfect Paneer Paratha is always with the proper golden color, and it should have an even sandwiching of paneer, and it should have a right flavor of tanginess and kind of a chatpata. That's what I'm going to show you today. Stay tuned. The preparation time for Paneer Paratha is about 30 to 40 minutes. It's a two-stage process. First, I'm going to make the dough and I'm going to rest the dough for about 20 minutes. And while it's getting rested, I'm going to mix the paneer and then get the filling ready. But that is a non-cooking process. So it's a very easy dish. And now I'm going to put the flour into a bowl, the required salt, taking about just 1/4 of a teaspoon. Just give a gentle mix. You need to add some water and then finally you need to adjust it the way you need it. But usually the dough has to be semi-soft. I'm going to add some oil, about 1 teaspoon. Now the dough is ready. Now you can see it's nice and semi-soft. I'm going to rest the dough for about 20 minutes. While the dough is getting rested, we're going to prepare the filling, which is a paneer filling. And I have in another bowl, the paneer filling, we need the grated paneer. Just gently mix this. You can see the paneer is just very soft. And I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon, which I have the chopped green chilies, 1/2 teaspoon. Here I have about for the chopped ginger. And now I'm going to add a little bit of salt, about 1/4 of a teaspoon. Just 2 pinches of chili powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of jeera powder. We are adding 1/4 of a teaspoon of the chaat masala. So once we add, just gently mix this so that everything is nicely and well coated. And once this is ready, we're going to roll that paneer paratha and I'm going to use the tawa and cook it. Now the dough is rested for about 30 minutes. Now you can see it's very soft and it's very important, especially for paneer paratha. The dough has to be little loose than the other parathas. The reason is because your filling is paneer. It's a very soft ingredient. And I've taken about 1 cup, so I can use it for about 2 parathas here. So just divided the dough into 2 pieces. Now I have the paneer, which is also well mixed. Now this paneer is going to be enough for about 2 parathas. So this should be 75 grams roughly, so 70 to 75 grams. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to slightly use my finger and I just press the outer side of the dough and making it as an even round. So now what I'm going to do is, this is ready now. Now I need to put the stuffing in. Now I keep the dough. I'm going to take the paneer, just make sure I have a firm round ball, just put it in and I'm going to cover this evenly. I'm going to just gently dust it with the plain flour and I'm going to use my hand. Now I'm going to put some generous quantity of flour on the bench. While it's getting ready, I'm going to get the tawa ready. Now I'm going to use a rolling pin. Just move this out of the way. Now you can see the paratha is nice, round and evenly coated. Just try to remove the excess dusting flour. Just place it. If you have a non-stick, that's even easy to make it. Just what are the places you feel the dough is little raw, just give a press. Now I'm going to apply some ghee here, just a little bit, then it'll puff up. This is a perfect paratha. Well cooked, and this is ready to be served. I'm sure this will give you some information how to, I'm sure many of you make parathas at home, but if you've been looking for how the hotel get the even filling and then perfect round, I'm sure that I've passed on some information to you. It is helpful, I guess. So please try this at home and let me know what is your experience of making this paratha. I look forward to see those pictures in the social media platforms with the hashtag RecipeCheckr. I look forward to see you with another recipe very soon. And paratha goes very well with some curd and some pickle. Enjoy your paratha. Thank you.